What is up, you guys? It's your boy Willie Jr. back again with another banger. Yes, sir. Looky here, we got Amotopart sent us a nice little package here. Shout out to Amotopart, thank you very much. Appreciate you all. Already opened the package, as you can see. They sent all kinds of goodies, man. We got all kinds of great stuff here. Sent more than I thought would come with it for sure. Got a little tank pad, some heat stuff. Ooh, should we show y'all the color? Should we show y'all the color? A little sneak peek, maybe. Oh, oh. Little blue, little blue. Sheesh, that's all we're gonna show y'all for now. But I'm gonna get these out of the box and show you what all came with it. Let's go. Yes, sir, nice and neatly packaged. This is how they came. This is how they'll come packaged. You'll actually have to cut the tape. I've already cut most of mine. Very well packaged. See? Just like so. I'm gonna have to go get a knife. They also sent a bunch of stuff like this. Little fairing stays / cowls. I'm actually going to go and open it up so you all can see that. I was not expecting them to send this. This is awesome. Heck yeah. Check that out. It's not something that any other company that I know of would have sent with their fairing kits. That's crazy. You get your cowling, which is actually awesome because I scratched mine up a little bit. As you can see right here. Alright, I'm going to show you all the fairings on my phone camera since I know it'll show them off a little better. Man, I can't state how good these came out. Like, I would 10 out of 10 go with Amotopart again. I'm going to put a link up here to their website, www.amotopart.com. And then you can also use code WillieWinning for 10% off. But I would gladly go with them again. I mean, just look at these. Look at them. Also lighter than the OEM fairing. You know what lighter means? Faster. We're gonna get started. As you can see, she is naked pretty much, minus the rear fairings and the front fairing up here. And then the tank cover right there as well. And a couple other little things. These, I already had them off. They've been off for a little while. See, we're missing the block off plate as well. We got a new block off plate we're gonna be putting on a new set that we got over there. Yes, sir, I'm so hyped to see what she looks like. Ooh, look at that. You're gonna hate saying bye to the black and chrome or whatever this stuff is. I don't know. It looks sweet. Blondie killed it on that look. Blondie 2.0 incoming, baby.
We're on Google. We typed in Amotopart or Amotopart fairings. You can also type it in up there at the search bar. Pretty much what you're going to want to do is come to Amotopart's website. They got all kinds of stuff, accessories and stuff as well. But what you're going to want to do if you're looking for fairings is come over to fairings and bodywork. Look at all the bikes they got. Find your bike. They got BMW, Ducati, Honda, Kawasaki, Suzuki, Triumph, and Yamaha. I clicked Yamaha because I own a Yamaha, obviously. Now this is for 2015 to 2019, but they made it for my bike, which is a 2020. So if they don't have it listed for yours, still ask them. They might be able to make it for your bike. I clicked on it. I actually went in here and I pretty much circled what I wanted changed and where I wanted it moved to and everything. So it's free customization. You can remove or move logos, change colors, change text, add text, all kinds of stuff. Pretty much if you can think of it, they can do it. So I went right here and I changed the AGV to FLG, as you all seen. I also went and put a 69 right here and a 69 up here and here. And then I also put my username right along the edge right here. Now you don't have to do that. You can do whatever you want. All kinds of awesome custom stuff. It comes with all kinds of great stuff like the fairing bolt kit and the heat shield, the windscreen. That's stuff that I ended up, some of that I didn't need, like the windscreen. I wanted to keep my Buick, but that's okay. I mean, a lot of people still have the stock windscreen, so that's an awesome addition that they're adding there for you all. It's 100% free to customize these too, by the way. So I mean, if you're gonna pay this price right here, you know what I mean, for fairings, which that's honestly a wonderful price. But if you know you're paying 600 bucks, why not make them custom? Why not make it something that is truly unique and your own? But that's all I got for you all right now. Let's get back to the video.
One block off plate gone. Remove these bad boys. If y'all hear the fireworks, it's because it's almost the 4th of July. It's Saturday, the weekend before. Slide forward. Just like that. Other side. Doing this one-handed is definitely harder than it looks. Oh, see? Slide it forward. Bingo. See the hooks on right there? We just got the new fairing stay installed. We're actually gonna wait to replace this even though it's scratched up right here. We got the new one that they sent. I wasn't even expecting this, but that was awesome. I actually have a new carbon fiber intake on the way that we're gonna be installing here soon whenever it gets here. So whenever it gets here, we'll do that intake flapper delete as well. At the same time, we'll go and replace this as well. Getting ready to do the front fender up here. I'm gonna keep all my old bolts. You probably should too, just in case you ever have one fall out or anything like that. Now you'll need to switch your little grommets from your OG stock one to this on some of this stuff. It also came with a lot of that stuff in here in this little kit, so you can use it from there as well. I'm gonna put the side fairing piece on now. Well, not the side fairing, whatever piece you'd call this right here. We just got done installing these little side panels. As you can see right down in there. It's looking good so far. Finished installing this little underskirt. Alright, we got it installed. Let's move on to the side fairing. She is starting to come together, baby. These are in two separate pieces. This has to go inside of here, just like so. We're gonna take some super glue and glue it in for both sides. Yes, sir. I am happy overall with the quality and the design that came out. I would 10 out of 10 go with Amotopart again. I mean, the fitment and everything was just great, you know? Wow. You can buy these now or pretty much any other bike, man. They make stuff for Suzuki, Honda, Kawasaki, you name it, Aprilia, they got it. And I mean, they got more than just fairings too. They got block off plates, they got like brake and clutch levers, rear sets. I mean, you name it, they got it on there, man. So go check them out and use code WillieWinning for 10% off. They got all kinds of stuff on there. I mean, just look at this. The quality is wow. I can't wait to show these off. Can't wait to show them off. And the fact that it came with a whole little kit. I mean, I'm gonna have this for a while because I used a lot of my stock stuff to go back on the stuff that was hidden, and then use the black bolts that they they sent out. We're gonna have that we can use for forever. I mean, that's something that I don't have to order ever. And I'd actually been meaning to order that, so that's awesome. Man, these turned out amazing. You all can get those once again at www.amotopart.com. Their nice customer service team will confirm with you your order. Make sure that you got all your details right and that they're not mistaken on what you're wanting. These are actually made out of ABS plastic, and they're more resilient than OEM. You don't got to worry about these going anywhere. They're solid. Or 3 clear coat layers of paint for UV protection. You can also get this right here for 50 bucks, the tank cover, and it can be custom as well.
Fairings are free to customize.
What more could you want? If you're in the market for some new fairings, you gotta get some Amotopart fairings, baby. They turned out wonderful. I couldn't be more happy with how they turned out. The blue is magnificent, the way it sparkles in the sun. You gotta go get you some, so go on and head on over to amotopart.com, baby. Let's go.